Okay guys, I have a question for you. Did you ever made any affiliate sale? Did you ever made any affiliate commission? If answer is no, then you should try this method. This method is beginner friendly, but I have to be honest with you, it takes a bit of time and a bit of work. But don't worry, it is nothing complicated, it is actually really simple. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do everything, and best of all, it is 100% free, so it will cost you no money. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. And because we are talking about affiliate marketing, let's say I'm in affiliate marketing niche. So second thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote in that niche. And for that you can use Digital24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus or any other affiliate network. But for this example, I'm going to use Clickbank. I'm here on Clickbank Marketplace, and because I'm in affiliate marketing niche, what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on e-business and e-marketing and then on affiliate marketing. And you need to research all of these products. I keep talking about that because that is really, really important. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, free traffic system. Everybody likes free traffic, right? So it is easier to promote this product. And here you can actually see I can earn on average $422 per sale. And the gravity of this product is 30, so it is a decent gravity. So what I need to do, I actually need to open their sales page in new tab. And again, I keep talking about checking sales pages because that is really, really important. So when I scroll through their page, you will see, okay, initial sale is just $1. Now that is really, really good. You need to find products that have low initial sale because it is much easier to sell those products, because everybody is thinking, well, it will cost me just $1 to find out how to get a free traffic. And it is much, much easier to promote these products and to actually sell these products. But when you go back here, you will see on average I can make $422 and initial sale is just $1. And that is because these guys are really, really good at upsells and downsales. So all you have to do is just refer someone to pay this $1. That's it. And then these guys here, they will do the rest. They will do upsells and downsells, and you can potentially make up to $422 for every person that you refer and that initially paid just $1 for this product. So now when you have your product, next thing you need is an ebook. If you can write that ebook by yourself, that is by far best option. But I'm guessing that most of you are beginners and you are not that good at writing ebooks. So what you can do is you can simply go on a website called Free PLR Downloads. And here you can find free PLR and MMR ebooks that you can give away for free. And to find ebooks in your niche, you can simply type your main keyword here in search bar. You can search by category or you can click on one of these tags. And because we are talking about affiliate marketing, I'm going to click here on affiliate marketing tag and then click here to close this ad. And here you can find affiliate marketing related ebooks, PLR and MMR ebooks. So let's say I wish to use this ebook here. I need to just click here on this ebook and I will get more information about this ebook. And what I need to do, I need to scroll here and click here on this blue download button and I will download this ebook to my desktop. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to edit this ebook. To do that, you can use a website called Seda. Seda is 100% free. And what you need to do, you need to click here on upload PDF file. And this is the ebook that I downloaded. So let me just click here. And okay, this is the ebook that I downloaded from Free PLR Downloads. And here I actually need to add my call to action and my affiliate link on every page on this ebook. Okay, now to do that, you simply need to click here on this text and then click here. And here you can simply say something like this. In this case, free traffic in just 30 minutes. As you can see here, let me just scroll. With the free traffic in just 30 minutes per day. So I changed a bit. And you can edit here, you can edit this color, and you can edit size of this text, you can edit color of this text, and so on and so on. And you actually need to add your affiliate link. So let me just, okay, this is my Clickbank affiliate link, Control C, and I need to click here, okay, I need to delete this. I need to click here on these links, okay? And then I need to mark this field. Okay, and I need to paste my affiliate link here, press enter, and that's it. I added my affiliate link, my Clickbank affiliate link, and now when someone click here, it will go to the sales page of this product. And if they buy this product for just $1, I will get an affiliate commission. Potentially I can make up to $422. And like I said, you need to add this same call to action on all of these pages here. So let me just go back here and see this ebook actually has 14 pages, as you can see here. Like I said, you need to add call to action to all of these ebooks. After you add call to action on all of these pages, all you have to do is just click here on apply changes, give it a few seconds to actually process this, and then click here on download, and you will download this ebook to your desktop. And that's it. So now when we have our ebook, now we need to upload this ebook somewhere in order to get the traffic. And for that we can use SlideShare. SlideShare got 89 million visits last month, and here you can host your PDF documents. And actually SlideShare is not our main free traffic source. It is our additional traffic source to get even more views to our ebook and to potentially get even more sales. So I will actually not show you how to upload ebooks on SlideShare because it is really easy. And when I click here on my name and then click here on uploads, I can actually see ebooks that I uploaded here. And here you can see my ebook that I uploaded just 11 hours ago already got 75 views, totally free. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here to open my ebook. And this is my ebook. And our actually main free traffic source are related forums. Now forums are great free traffic source. I used to use forums to drive free traffic, free targeted traffic to my affiliate offers when I was just starting. And I see that many people are still using forums because forums do work. Okay, but you need to invest some time and some work, but you will get results. Now to find forums in your niche, you can simply go on a website called findforums.net, okay? And here you can find forums in your niche. So because we are talking about affiliate marketing, I can simply click here on forum niches, and I can say, for example, internet marketing, and then click here to close this ad, and I'm going to get a list of internet marketing forums. And here you can see some really big forums like Wicked Fire, Site Owners Forum, and so on and so on. And I'm actually already member of Warrior Forum. Warrior Forum is one of the biggest internet marketing forums. And those guys are actually owners of Warrior Plus. So after you join, for example, Warrior Forum, what you need to do, you need to hover over your username and then click here on settings. That is really important. And next thing you need to do, you need to click here on edit signature because you need to add a signature. And what you can do is I already prepared this. I can say, okay, Control C, and I'm going to add my signature, okay? Free traffic in just 30 minutes. And then I can highlight this, okay? Let me just highlight it again. And what I need to do, I need to go back on SlideShare. And I need to copy this link, okay? Because I wish to send people to my ebook, okay? Not to my affiliate offer, but the ebook that I uploaded on SlideShare that contains my affiliate link. And then go back here on Warrior Forum, click here on this little chain, paste my link here, click OK, and that's it. I added a signature. I added link to this post here, to my ebook, to SlideShare. And all I have to do now is just click here on Save Signature, and that's it. I will add a link in my signature. And then what you need to do, you simply need to go back on the Warrior Forum and you need to start engaging as much as you can. And if you join, for example, let's just say 10 forums in your niche, and if you start engaging every day 2, 3, 4 hours, trust me, you will start getting lots of free traffic. And you can also use this to drive traffic to your blog post, for example, where you are promoting your affiliate product, because this is a targeted traffic. All of these guys here who are on Warrior Forum, they're all very much interested in making money online in affiliate marketing. So when you offer them something that will show them how to get a free traffic, you can believe that many of those people will actually click to see that, to get your ebook, to read that ebook in order to find out how to get a free traffic. And some of those people will actually click on your affiliate link, and some of those people will buy that product. And like I said, that product costs only $1. And then those guys will actually do the rest. They will do upsells and downsells, and you can potentially make up to $422 per one sale. So like I said, this is a beginner-friendly method. As you saw, it is nothing complicated. All you have to do is just invest some time and invest some work, and you will start getting results. So this is how you do Clickbank affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2022 by driving free traffic. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.